Namaste everyone, how are you all? Today's subject is art and topic is design with color shading. Alright, now in this topic, creativity is combined with the essential learning. Now children, last time you have learned color shading method, how to do color shading, and you must have practiced it also. So whatever you have practiced, whatever you have learned, all that you have to apply in this topic. Okay, so first of all you have to draw the design. Now please pay attention towards the instructions. The very first instruction, you are going to draw this design with the combination of geometrical shapes as well as decorative shapes. You know which are the geometrical shapes, like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle. All these are geometrical shapes. Decorative shape can be any, like heart, star, diamond, decorative shape of leaf, decorative shape of fish, anything. So you have to combine these shapes, geometrical as well as decorative. Okay, you have to combine these and you have to draw a design in which you have to show your creativity. Now this topic, drawing design, it offers you to show your creativity. How will you arrange this design? So while drawing this, please pay attention. While drawing this, once you finish drawing one shape, okay, from half of that previous shape, you have to start drawing next shape. So what I want to say, that these shapes should be overlapping, one upon the other, like that. So this way you have to arrange one geometrical shape, one decorative shape, one geometrical shape, the other decorative shape. That's how you are going to create a design. Next part of video I am going to show you as a example. I am going to show you. You will not copy that. You have to draw. I want you to draw your own design. Okay. But looking at that, taking it as a reference, you will draw your own design. Alright. And you have to fill almost the page. It should not be like you have drawn just 2 to 3 shapes and done. Not like that. Your page should be filled up with these shapes. After drawing these shapes, you have to outline with black sketch pen, and then important work starts. After outlining, you have to color it, but you have to color it the way you have learned last time. Color shading method. Each part, after drawing these shapes, after overlapping all these shapes, you will get many different parts. After outlining, you will find many different parts. So in those different parts, you are going to put different colors. So one part you can do shading of red, dark red, medium, light red. Next part you will do maybe green, dark green, medium green, light green. Third part, dark blue, light blue, and so on. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Next part of video I am going to show you. It will take some time, but you will really enjoy this topic. Alright, so do it nicely, and you will get to learn a lot, both like drawing design, how to arrange it, also how to color it. Okay, so enjoy this topic and have So here we start with the shading. I have taken dark shade first. Look at this now. First outline how much of a portion you want to color, and then slowly without leaving white gaps, you have to fill the portion. I finish with dark shade, doing light shade now. First from opposite side, same direction without leaving white gaps. You have to come near the dark shade, and slowly this light shade will go inside dark. So this is how you have to finish doing shading everywhere.